Hi everyone, and thank you for returning to Everything Tesla Stock. Renowned economist, economic historian, and investment expert Raoul has revealed something surprising regarding the price of Tesla's stock. He stated that there could be several causes for Tesla's pricing to rise noticeably. Continue watching to find out more about Raoul's perspective on Tesla. To be informed about everything going on in the world of Tesla, remember to like, subscribe, and activate the bell notification before we get started. Now let's watch the video. Real Vision Group offers investment research and insights to clients on a subscription basis. Raoul is the CEO and co-founder of the company. Real Vision is frequently referred to as the Netflix of finance. In addition, Mr. is a co-founder of Global Macro Investor, an independent research magazine available only to members that aims to educate readers about the macroeconomic environment and offer advice on how to adjust investment strategies in response to it. For many years, Raoul co-managed the large global macro hedge fund GLG and was among the economists who foresaw the financial catastrophe of 2008 to 2009. Raoul tweeted a while back, saying, "Want to hear the rationale for Tesla having a $20 trillion market cap in 2035? This will either make you love it or despise it, or you might find it interesting. It is irrelevant. I've known Tim for 25 years," he went on. "He doesn't use sensationalism. Is it possible for him to be incorrect? Yes, he could be 50% off, but nonetheless, that's a $10 trillion firm. No cost on YouTube." He also stated in one of his numerous interviews that Elon Musk's early success was due to the equity market, which enabled him to raise an infinite sum of money. That being said, it also explains the current situation, which is that a lot of people are prepared to pay any price for stocks like Tesla. Businesses that don't need money are doing incredibly well. This suggests that the price of Tesla's stock will likely continue to rise indefinitely. Seth Goldstein concurs with Raoul that Tesla's stock price will rise. In addition to saying that Tesla is pricey, Mr. Goldstein stated that he believes the firm would eventually see higher gross margins as a result of its ability to reduce unit production costs and the introduction of new subscription software. Additionally, Raoul has stated that emerging markets excite him far more than commodities do. He claims that in today's technologically advanced, aging world, commodity cycles will be less noticeable. Numerous analysts concur that Mr. is right when he says emerging markets will dominate the next 10 years. As far as we know, Tesla is doing incredibly well, growing outside the EV industry and becoming into an AI business. One more indication of Tesla's explosive expansion is the company's recent opening of a gigafactory in Germany. With this plant, the business will be able to produce 500,000 more cars a year, resulting in a large boost in output and a reduction in the cost of importing automobiles into Europe from Tesla's Shanghai factory in China. Additionally, this means that Tesla will likely sell a lot more cars in Europe to people who may not be as familiar with the brand as Americans, thereby expanding its client base considerably. Another significant recent development is that Tesla began shipping cars from its Texas, USA, Gigafactory. Prior to this, Fremont, California, the company's facility, which can only produce 500,000 cars annually, was the site of manufacture for all Tesla vehicles sold in the United States. Tesla will be able to manufacture and sell a lot more cars in the U.S. thanks to the Texas factory. The company may be able to increase its output in a few years. Housing costs have increased as a result of Tesla's plans to move its corporate headquarters to Texas, particularly in the area surrounding its Gigafactory. Elon Musk thinks that Tesla will be able to produce electric cars on a large scale by the end of the year because of the Texas factory. As a result of the excellent news the company is receiving, more and more investors are becoming interested in Tesla and its shares, which further boosts investor optimism. Investors are often drawn to the company by other occurrences. For instance, Tesla's stock experienced a significant 8% increase in March. Given that the stock price might continue to rise, this left investors unsure on whether to sell some or acquire more. As we previously stated in our videos, Tesla is seeking shareholder approval before pursuing a 3-for-1 stock split. In the long run, this occurrence may have a major effect on the price of Tesla's stock, making investing in the company even more alluring. Watch this video to find out more about the stock split and how it affected the price of the company's stock. Returning to Raoul Pal, he recently spoke with Tim Davies, the Director of Research at Holland Investments, an Australian business offering data storage and next-generation asset management systems. Tim and Raoul talked about Tesla's past, present, and future during the conversation. They also touched on the company's stock price and its potential outcomes, both short and long-term. Tim Davies of Holland said in that interview, "What do you believe to be the biggest mentality obstacle facing entrepreneurs?" Thinking exponentially is replacing linear thinking, in my opinion. And with Tesla, that's the first thing that stands out. When they see the numbers, some people think it's impossible for that to happen. Based on current estimates, Tesla is expected to produce almost 900,000 units this year and 5.5 million by 2025. We estimate that there will be 15 to 20 million by early 2030, and by 2040, we anticipate that there will be 40 million units. After a short while, Mr. Davies said, "We actually think Tesla stock is incredibly cheap." Subsequently, Tim Davies added that they think the current price of Tesla should be $3,400, meaning that it is currently only trading at a third of its true value. It's crucial to keep in mind that Tim Davies is a fervent fan of Tesla, so his enthusiasm for the company may have influenced some of his forecasts. Because so few people agree with Holland's Tim Davies, some of the remarks he made in the interview with Raoul Pal may be viewed as contentious. Before the interview, I read an article on Tesla from Holland Investments, in which they indicated that their model predicted that global EV sales will soar to 206 million vehicles annually by 2050. They further asserted that because the majority of Tesla's rivals are insolvent, they will be unable to keep up with Tesla. For instance, the largest automakers, VW, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz, collectively owe $450 billion in US dollars. Another significant point they brought up was the forecast that India's car ownership will increase from 9 to 30 by 2050 as a result of the nation's growing prosperity. Holland predicts that by 2037, Tesla's yearly cash flow would reach $500 billion USD, and by 2047, it will reach $1 trillion USD. This is a 15-year estimate. Assuming that Tesla's valuation would exceed $20 trillion USD by 2050, all of these claims hold true. Ryan Brinkman, an investment analyst at J.P. Morgan, is another who backs Tesla. In addition to mentioning Tesla's distinctive business model, attractive product lineup, and state-of-the-art technology as advantages, he also expressed his opinion that Tesla's vehicles are audacious, remarkable, exquisite, and incredibly thrilling to drive. He added that the business is led by innovative leadership and backed by a solid management team in terms of functionality. All of this strengthens confidence in Tesla's bright future, which will enhance the company's valuation and reward shareholders. All of these acknowledged investors' confidence in Tesla's stock rise may stem from the company's strong performance in spite of the country's current macroeconomic and geopolitical conditions, as well as the ongoing COVID-19 dispute in China, where Tesla maintains a factory. We saw the following in Tesla's report, which included the company's noteworthy results. We generated our best ever net income, operating profit, and gross profit. Additionally, we surpassed our medium-term target of a low teens operating margin by achieving an operating margin of 14.6%. They also stated in that report that even though the average price decreased by 6% year over year, they were still able to turn a profit in the third quarter. They think the shift to more affordable cars is another reason they were able to maintain their profitability. With all of this information, investors' optimism is bolstered and assertions that Tesla's stock price will continue to rise are supported. Share your thoughts with us regarding Tesla's potential stock price. Post your prediction in the space provided for comments below. We appreciate your time, and while you're here, please click on any of these two videos to view it on your screen. I'll see you over there.